Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a BMW Z4 battery. First, gather your tools: a 10 mm wrench, a terminal brush, and safety glasses. Park your Z4 on a level surface, turn off the ignition, and engage the parking brake. Always wear protective gear, like safety glasses and gloves, to ensure your safety during the process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. Open your trunk and locate the battery, often under a floor panel. Using your 10 mm wrench, first loosen and remove the negative terminal cable. Then, proceed to loosen and remove the positive terminal cable. Finally, unfasten any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery in its tray. With the old battery out, it's time for the new one. Before placing it, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly. Carefully set the new battery into the tray, ensuring it sits securely. Now, connect the positive terminal first, tightening it firmly. Then, connect the negative terminal, making sure both connections are snug. You're almost done. Double-check that both battery terminals are tight and the battery is securely fastened. Close the trunk and try starting your BMW Z4. The final, crucial step is to register the new battery with your car's computer using a diagnostic tool. This ensures optimal charging and extends the battery's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.